Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
If your microwave container is warped or melted, stop using it immediately to avoid harmful chemicals and safety risks. Switch to microwave-safe options like glass or BPA-free plastic. Always check for microwave-safe labels and avoid overheating food to keep your containers intact and your kitchen safe.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.